Okay, here we go. Hello, hello. Oh, Alright, what do we have today? Well, first of all, kind of opened this box already. Well, there's a reason why, I'll get into it. But, for now, there we go. Alright, we're good. Alright, now we open it. That was such a waste of tape, but whatever. Alright, today we have Tai Hao PBT Sunset Keycaps. I also ordered an extra pair of rubber gaming keycaps. It's pretty cool. This also comes with a little mechanical keyboard sticker. Yeet. So, let me explain the reason why I opened it, because if you look online or in some other keycap videos, you'll see that the keycaps come in like a little tray. It was like perfectly nice, mounted, and like all lined up in the keyboard standard row and everything. But look at what mine came in. It came in a freaking box, just jumbled up keycaps in the box. What the heck? Alright, so before we get into these sunset keycaps, I just want to check out the little rubber keycaps I bought along with it. So, I bought these little keycaps. They're about $5, I think. This is basically made for me, literally just for my gaming. For this WSAD part. Let's check these out. Ooh. Get out. Sweet. Got it. Ooh. That's really nice. So these keycaps are all same row. These are all I believe this is the second row from the top. Second row from the top, not including the F keys. So this is the second row, not including the F nine, which I meant. So these are technically supposed to go on this row, but they will have a little mismatch with the W key. That's fine. Also, check out my other video of the Ducky 1-2 MIDI. Go check that out. So, I don't know if you can tell, but these keycaps are like a little rigid, and it's really nice, easier to grip, easier to find when you're moving around the keyboard. Easy to find when you're moving around the keyboard. And it's mainly used for gaming, but you know, it could be for aesthetic or like feel when you type as well. That also works. So if you watched my last video, you would have remembered that I was hoping to get blue extra keycaps, but they gave me red ones, and so I was hoping to match these blue with those blue, but oh well, there's a mismatch. But it doesn't look that bad. Whatever. All right, let's move on to the main part of the video. How do you open this, dude? How do you even open this? Oh. Got it. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Three things. Alright. So it comes with this little. It comes with this little keycap puller. Clicker. It's not bad. Is this also a keycap puller? I'm not exactly sure what this is. I'm not gonna tell that. Let's modify this. Let's throw these on our keyboard. My keyboard real quick. Alright, we finished. That took so long. Took like 3 years. I don't know. Whatever. Now, you may be asking, why did I get pink? Simple answer is, want to piss my mom off. She hates the color pink for some reason. Don't know why. Uh-oh. Yeah, I don't know why. Just wanted to piss her off a little bit. It's a little joke, yeah. Anyways. Alright, so this sunset keycap set comes with a full keyboard, like all the caps on the keyboard, like a full keyboard. My board is a 60%, so I'm only using these ones, but they do have extra ones for a full keyboard if you're planning to buy one. So they have the numpads, the arrow keys, the extra like, I don't know, escape, I don't know, these extra stuff here. And then they also have the F keys. Just put them, I don't know, looks appealing, whatever. And then we come over these little keycaps. I have no idea where they belong. I think this one belongs somewhere on the keyboard. I have no idea. I have no idea where these come from. So I just put them on the side. Oh, and also note, it also came with an extra rubber keycap. I really like this. Is that number 8 keycap? Like the blue ones I showed you earlier? It's really nice too. It has like the little rigid feel too. And it also came with another, it's either Alt or Control. Pretty sure it's Alt though. An Alt thing, the date of when they started the company, Tai Hao. And there's one more thing that I want to show you. As you can see, these keycaps are not backlit. I knew this well in hand before I purchased these too. Well, you see, the light doesn't shine through the letters. Their letters are already marked onto them. Just a quick reminder, just to let you know that. You can also get your very own sunshine keycaps at mechanicalkeyboards.com. And search up sunshine in the search bar. Should bring you up to the page and you will see 104 key PBT double shot keycap set sunshine. Currently they are in stock and they're about $39. Also, it comes with a free bonus of mechanical keyboard sticker. And with that, please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.